Hello with everyone. My name is Fausto Villavicencio, and in today's presentation we will talk about varying issues in the architecture. Today I wanted to talk about sustainable architecture in 100 years. So what is the topic for today? The topic for today is recreation of nature. Currently, there are projects that indicate that the human being has realized that the preservation or destruction of the environment and life itself is in their hands, or more specific, in our hands. I would like to begin with this project that is so interesting and is from Renzo Piano. He created in the Academy of Science of California one of the most recent and interesting examples of architecture based on the respect and care of ecology. Other project very interesting is from Annie Holtrop. This project is a spa and was designed in collaboration with the ecological architecture firm Studio Noach. And it's another green project that aims, rather than building generation and landscape on an artificial island. So the image, the exterior of the project is that a large flooring gardens that invites you to play on its hills and covered with different types of flowers and vegetation. So this is so connected with the nature. So how can you observe the architecture in 100 years can merge with the environment and nature? And this is amazing. So if any one of you have any question or do you want to say something, say it right now. And I would like to conclude with this. Filling ourselves with information is the best we can do, and architecture is that. Read and learn. We can change the way we build and live with nature. So, thank you very much.